Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to delete messages on Tinder. To do this it's very simple. So in Tinder, if you send a message, and of course to send a message you should have match, and matching with someone means that you liked that person and he liked you back in the app, of course. So for example, if I send a message like that, as you can see, the message is sent. There is no option to unsend the message directly, but to delete it, you should unmatch with that person or block him. So to do that, you have to click on the three dots on the top right of the screen, and after that you can unmatch or block that person, but to delete that message only, there is no option on Tinder for that. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.